In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Google Cloud free trial or close your billing account so you can avoid any unexpected charges. Whether you're trying to manage your budget or you simply want to explore other options, this guide will help you ensure that no unwanted costs catch you by surprise. Let's walk through this process together so you'll know exactly what to do. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Google Cloud console and sign in with your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to navigate to the Billing section. You can find this by looking for the tab labeled Billing and clicking on it. This is where you'll manage all aspects related to your account's billing activities. Next, you're looking for the Account Management section related to your cloud billing account. Here, you're essentially accessing the control center for all things billing on your Google Cloud account. Spend a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface, as it's always helpful to know where different controls and settings are housed. Once you're on the Account Management page, you're going to see an option to close billing account. Sometimes, this may also be phrased as close your cloud billing account. Clicking this is a crucial step in halting any future charges. Once you click on it, a prompt or confirmation screen will typically appear. This is Google's way of making sure that you're certain about your decision. They might require you to type in the word close or otherwise confirm that you wish to proceed with closing your billing account. It's a subtle but important step in verifying your intention. Take a moment to review any details in the prompt to ensure you're comfortable with the action. After you've successfully closed your billing account, you'll achieve the primary goal of stopping your projects linked to that account from accumulating any new charges. It's a satisfying step, knowing that you've effectively managed and curtailed potential costs. Finally, as an additional measure, you might consider heading over to the payment methods in Google's Payment Center. This is purely optional, but highly recommended for peace of mind. Here, you can remove your card or payment details so they are no longer stored within the account. While the account is already closed and inactive, removing the payment method adds an extra layer of security and makes sure that nothing is inadvertently billed in the future. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've taken control of your Google Cloud account's billing, ensuring that any unexpected charges are a thing of the past. Thank you for watching, and remember to always check back for more helpful guides like this one.